Hi, I'm Deb Wagner, Assistant Professor in the Department of Nursing in the College of Health and Human Services at SVSU. I'm here to talk to you about why writing in nursing matters and the importance of it within the curriculum in the Department of Nursing. Writing matters. Bottom line, it's the way in which we communicate. We may communicate things about our patients, we may communicate our thoughts, our knowledge. It also provides a way for an inquiry into further and deeper knowledge that we will get throughout the program. It allows nursing students to revisit experiences that they have had with clients, organize their thoughts, and then share it with others. Some of the assignments that you will be seeing within the program include research papers, analytical papers, exploration of literature, and that includes differentiating between popular journals and scholarly journals. Also, you will look into evidence-based practice and how that guides our practice and will guide your future practice as a nurse. Some of the other papers may have reflective or creative facets to them where you will look at theories, you will look at aesthetic experiences, you will look at healthcare phenomenon, and how your client experiences health through their lifespan, and other political and professional issues in nursing. Some of the things that the faculty will really look at in your papers is the ability to understand the assignment. So first off, if you don't understand the assignment, go and see your faculty during office hours. Make sure you have a clear understanding before you get started. Also, be very organized. Allow yourself plenty of time. Know that the paper will not be written in one night. It is important that you expect revisions and drafts. Allow yourself time for that. Once you have your draft fairly revised, I recommend that you read it out loud. Either read it out loud to yourself, to your roommate or your family member, or have someone else read it to you. Often when you are listening to those words, you will see where you maybe need to check that structure for that sentence. Maybe your word choice wasn't exactly right, and your understanding and the clarity of that understanding is not exactly what you meant it to be. And that's very, very important. Certainly grammar and spelling. The other point that you may not be familiar with is that the papers in the nursing department are written using APA format. That's the American Psychological Association. There are textbooks, handouts, references. Your faculty can help you with those, and also the Writing Center has all of those references, either online or if you go to the actual Writing Center, they can help you with those papers. We recommend that you do that. It's important to get to know the Writing Center, take rough drafts, and allow them to help you with that writing experience, because writing is a skill, and this skill takes time. So provide yourself opportune time to do that. Finally, it's important to really think about writing in a way that it is an expression of yourself and what you're saying and the clarity of it and the importance of it. In nursing, the importance when you graduate is that what you write about your patients, what you've assessed, what you've seen, what interventions you have performed, and the patient's response to those interventions is key to their recovery. It is also key to those professionals who will follow you, the nurses, physicians, and other healthcare professionals who will read what you have written, whether it is in the electronic medical record or whether it is a paper chart. And they will read that and they will get a picture and an idea, and they will know where to go forward with that client's care. So it is very important that what you write is accurate and descriptive, because your patient's health care depends on that. Communication is key in healthcare, and written communication is what you're going to be practicing while you're in the program here at SVSU. If you have more questions, or during the program when you're a student, you need help, you can certainly visit the Writing Center website or speak with your faculty, and I wish you good luck with your writing.